Hi guys, meron tayong RAV4 na hybrid. Stock na fog lamp housing, pero palit na yan ng LED bulb sa loob. Dual color yung fog lights. Ito naman yung lux reading natin at 8.5 meters. Yung color yellow naman susukatin na. Nasa 220 lux naman at 8 meters yung color yellow. Yung stock na fog lights ito nasa around 100 lux lang at 8.5 meters. Yung single light source yung in-install natin dito kasi ito yung preferred na ating client. Yung check. Lux test at 8.5 meters. Nasa 850 lux maximum natin. Malakas yung ating lux reading kasi combined na dito sa left and lux test din natin yung headlight. Yung headlights natin umabot siya ng 600 lux at 8.5 meters. Toyota RAV4 na hybrid. 2 inches by LED projector fog lights, blue lens, 6000 Kelvin yung light output nito. That's the fog lights. Para gumana yung fog light high beam, kailangan natin siyang patay sindi para gumana yung kanyang high beam function. Headlights, ating high beam, fog lights with high beam. 6,000 Kelvin, Toyota specific brackets, street legal, waterproof, 1-year warranty.